All right, begin with 3 limes. We're gonna use 2 limes to just squeeze the juice into your cup or pitcher. So cut 2 in half. And then with one of the limes, you're gonna want to cut it into slices to garnish your cup. All right, first you're gonna start with your margarita mix base, and you can do this with any flavor that you'd like. Today we're using regular lime margarita, and we're going to do 2 parts of mix to start with. The next ingredient is 1 part triple sec. You need your tequila. Pick your favorite brand and 1 part tequila. Right, next you're going to take your lime halves and squeeze some fresh lime juice into your pitcher or your mixer. If you like salt or sugar on your rim, take your lime slice and rub the rim of your glass to get it juicy. I like to use the Easy Dip margarita salt. And again, you can use salt or sugar. Take your mixed drink, pour it into a nice chilled glass. And garnish with your favorite fruit topping. Today we're going to use lime wedges.